This short video clip is going to demonstrate the use of a custom monitor for data mover components, the daemon and the agents, reporting back to TMSM. And as you can see right now on the screen that Einstein is showing a warning. Now we click in there and that will expand out to the components, and here we'll see that the agent and the daemon on Dirac, which is the TDM primary server, is showing a warning because the heartbeat has not been received in a reasonable time. I don't have it set up on Dirac to run on an automatic basis from cron. It's just done manually right now for this demonstration. So what we will do is, and I can show you also while I'm here, in the log view, and I've got it filtered just for health checks from Dirac. You see there are none at the moment. So I'll go to the Dirac window and I will run the check DM agents script. And what this does, it actually invokes data mover to do a check on its own components. And I'll just briefly list that out for you. Sorry. Wrong thing. There we go. So here you can see that we set the root location of data mover. I'm using data mover 14 right now. We check the host name to see whether we're in our Einstein or Innovation ecosystem, and then we set up the send event string, define the resource, and then define what the data mover status command is. And here it's using data mover command for list agents. And from that we can just execute that and do a grep -c for connected to daemon. And if we get that equal to 1, then we know the daemon's running. We send an event, health check event, saying daemon is running. We then change the resource to TDM agent on the system. We get the agent name from the agent properties on the system. And then we again execute the mstat and grep for the agent name appearing. If the agent name appears, we know it's been recognized, or it's connected, communicating with the daemon. And then we send a send event to say that it is running. That's all we have to do. And then back on here in the TDM environment, let me just maximize this screen. Here they are. So their health checks are just shown up, and you see that their heartbeats from the agent and the daemon. So if I now minimize that and go back to the component health, we'll see that now they're not warning anymore, and it's been received. There is another warning here that has nothing to do with the data mover. And you'll notice these are under self-registered. I haven't yet configured them to be where they belong within the component family. So that is the use of a custom monitor script.